Welcome everyone. In this video, I will show you how to lock your Facebook profile using the Facebook Lite app on your phone. This feature helps protect your privacy and keeps your photos and posts visible only to your friends. First, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then scroll down until you find the option called Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to open more options. After that, select Settings. After that, scroll down until you see the section called How People Find and Contact You. Tap on it. Now, tap on Who Can Send You Friend Requests. Finally, you'll see two choices: Everyone or Friends of Friends. If you want only people who have mutual friends with you to send requests, select Friends of Friends. If you prefer anyone on Facebook to send you requests, choose Everyone. Then click on Save. That's all for today's guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.